Hello, everyone, and welcome back to EasySpeak Podcast, where learning English is simple, natural, and useful. My name is John.
Hello, John. And hello to everyone listening today. I'm happy to be here and talk with you.
Philip, today we are talking about daily routines at home with kids. But your situation is a little different right now, isn't it?
Yes, that's right. At the moment, I'm not working. I'm between jobs.
And your wife is working full-time, correct?
Exactly. My wife goes to work every morning, so I stay at home and take care of the kids and the house.
That's very interesting and very common these days. So you are the main caregiver at home right now.
Yes, I am. It was not easy at first, but now I have a clear daily routine.
Let's start with the morning. What time does your day begin?
My day usually starts at 6 in the morning, before my wife leaves for work.
So everyone wakes up early.
Yes, I wake up the kids, help them get out of bed, and prepare breakfast.
What does a typical breakfast look like in your house?
Usually cereal and milk, sometimes toast and eggs. I try to keep it simple. Usually cereal and milk, sometimes toast and eggs. I try to keep it simple. While the kids eat, my wife gets ready for work. We talk for a few minutes before she leaves.
That sounds like a nice family moment.
After breakfast, I help the kids get dressed. Socks are always a problem.
The famous missing socks problem.
Exactly. After clothes and shoes, we brush our teeth and pack school bags.
And then you take them to school.
Yes, I walk them to school, say goodbye, and then I come back home alone.
So when the kids are at school, your house routine begins.
Yes, I clean the kitchen, wash the dishes, and start the laundry.
Chores take a lot of time, don't they?
They really do. Before, I didn't realize how much work it was.
Yeah, many people don't realize that.
I also do some job searching during the day, but I have to plan my time carefully.
What happens in the afternoon when the kids come home?
They come home hungry, so we have a snack first.
And then homework time.
Yes, homework is not always easy, but we have a rule. Homework first, play later.
That's a very good rule.
After homework, they play, and I start preparing dinner.
Do you cook every evening?
Yes, most evenings, I try to cook healthy meals for the family.
Do the kids like vegetables?
Sometimes not. I have to be creative.
And your wife comes home in the evening.
Yes, we eat dinner together and talk about our day.
And then comes the bedtime routine.
Yes, bath time, pajamas, brushing teeth, and story time.
Reading stories is a beautiful habit.
After the story, lights off, good night, and finally, quiet.
Your routine shows that staying at home is real work.
Yes, it is hard, but it's also meaningful.
And for our listeners, Describing your daily routine is a great way to practice English.
Please tell us in the comments, what is your daily routine like?
Thank you for listening to EasySpeak Podcast. See you next time.